Hello students, welcome to Time YouTube channel. National Insurance Company Limited NICL has announced the notification to recruit assistants for the year 2024. Total number of posts or vacancies announced are 500. Let us look at the key details given in the notification. If you look at the important dates here, online registration starts from 24th October and last date of online registration is on 11th November. As we keep on saying, don't wait till the last moment. Please do apply beforehand. Application fee you can pay from 24th October to 11th November including both days. Date of online exam phase 1 30th November, phase 2 that is main exam on 28th December. Download of call letters will be notified to the candidates later. Now if you look at eligibility criteria, age as on 1st October minimum 21, maximum 30. Education qualification also as on 1st October you must be a graduate, right? You should also know reading, writing and speaking of the local regional language or the local language of that particular state. Otherwise you will be disqualified if they found that you don't know how to read, speak and write the local language, right? There will be a regional language proficiency test also. Let us look at selection process, then we will discuss all this. So selection process contains two phases basically. Phase 1 preliminary exam, phase 2 main exam, and you have regional language test also. This is the paper pattern of prelim exam. Total 100 questions, 100 marks, 60 minutes. Each section is separately timed. This is similar to your IBPSPO prelim or SBIPO prelim, right? So 30 questions, 30 marks, 20 minutes. Reasoning 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. Quantitative aptitude 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. As we always say, your speed and accuracy definitely will make a difference here. Except English, the remaining sections will be given in both mediums, both languages, English as well as Hindi. Then let us look at one more point. You have minimum qualifying mark for each of these sections. That means you have to get minimum, you have to clear minimum cutoff score. You have to achieve in each of these sections. Plus you have to clear that overall cutoff mark also. Candidates approximately 15 times the number of vacancies will be called for your main examination, right? That is what is given in this particular point. Now when you look at your phase 2 exam, main examination, your final selection is only based on main exam. This is qualifying in nature. Also regional language test also qualifying in nature. Your final selection is based only on marks obtained in the main exam. So main exam we have 5 sections. Reasoning 40 questions, 40 marks, 30 minutes. English language 40 questions, 40 marks, 30 minutes. Numerical ability 40 questions, 40 marks, 30 minutes. General awareness 40 questions, 40 marks, 15 minutes. Computer knowledge is a separate section, 40 questions, 40 marks, 15 minutes. Now as you have 40 questions, you need to be clear, thorough with your computer questions, computer syllabus. Basic questions on your computer architecture, memory devices, questions on operating system, DBMS, questions on networks, then questions involving your software concepts, internet concepts, questions related to memory devices, RAM, ROM, virtual memory, and also questions related to MS Office. All those things you should be revising thoroughly. Also look at previous exam questions. Particularly you can look at your IBPSRRB exam. There in IBPSRRRBPO scale 1 RRB clerk exam you have a separate section. So last 4-5 years questions, if you can see, every year 40 PO, 40 clerk, 80 questions. It will help you to prepare for this computer section. For general awareness, last 6 to 9 months with special focus on last 6 months, right? The marks obtained only in the main exam will be considered for the shortlisting for the final selection, right? Then regional language test, marks will not be there. It's only qualifying in nature. You have to qualify in that particular test, students. Here again, except English, remaining all sections we have both in English and Hindi. and penalty of 1/4 negative marking will be there. 1/4 or 0.25 marks assigned to that question will be taken as negative marking, right? You need to qualify in each of these section, that is section wise cutoff is there, plus you need to qualify overall also, right? Let us look at, this is what I have given. Qualifying in only a main exam will be shortlisted and called for regional test. Regional test is only qualifying in nature. That is what we have discussed. I have put it here. So application fee 24th October to 11th November. Only online mode of application is accepted. So you have to be ready with your scanned photographs, scanned signature, then declaration format, whatever has been specified in the notification in that format. You need to be ready with all those. And for general categories is 850, for reserved categories is 100 rupees. Now, if you are looking for a physical classroom coaching, please contact nearest time center. If you are looking for an online coaching, we have online live classes where faculty member will be taking classes live. Then we have online flexi. We call it as online flexi. We call it as recording classes or recorded classes. Then we have correspondence courses and we have test series. You can enroll depending on your requirement for any of these test series, right? Now, the link for more details, the link to access this online live classes, flexi, correspondence course, test series is given in the descriptive box. Now, this is broad, brief information about the bank course of 3-month validity, 6-month validity and 1-year validity. There is a difference in fees, but no difference in number of hours. There is difference only in number of tests. Maybe full length mock test you take, or full length sectional test or full length mock test you take. There is a difference in number, or magazines also there is a difference in number. Otherwise, number of classes, validity of homepage is different, validity of videos is different, but course wise, content coverage wise, there is no difference, students, right? So from time, we wish you all the best for your upcoming examination. So do well and all the best, students.